Hello. We're reacting. That's Eric. And that's Stu, and this is Tyler. We're reacting to a band we never heard of because it was suggested in the comments. Leave a comment below, whoever you were. Too many to track. This
We
is
suck. Sorry.
Latheratus by Counteractt.
Let's see.
Stu's afraid.
Terrified.
Lorna Shore.
No. I'm pretty sure those are not the lyrics he's saying, dude. Oh, maybe.
Might be.
Excuse me. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Oh my god.
Where are we? Is it, they only ended up?
They all ended up disemboweled.
Yes.
Where are we now?
Their will is to destroy us,
Oh, we're still up there.
and die.
Dude, these are not human sounds. This man has to be foreign, yeah?
See? From Madrid. Sick!
Side to fucking side.
It's about to get dirty. Ooh.
Open this fucking shit up.
Albuquerque!
Yeah, fuck yeah, baby.
Ugh.
I love it. Good. Fucking symbol. I think my favorite lyric is "We fuck you up."
We fuck you up, son of fucking stars.
Son of fucking stars.
Ooh, solo.
Yeah, dudes, request more of that.
Yeah. I just feel like
That's
every time
nasty.
we get a request, I just end the video with my like neck broken
Yeah.
and just like a
Yo.
disgusted face, like in like speechless, just like what the
Yeah,
fuck?
your face like hurts because you're all scrunched.
Damn, bro. How do humans make sounds like that, dude?
No idea.
That was
Very
wild.
cool.
That sounded painful, dude. It sounded like it hurts.
Someone needs to explain the lyrics to me, please, because I'm
That's
interested,
right.
but not
Is
interested enough to
is
look it up.
is Latheratus like a word, or is that just like something they made up?
I assume
I
it's
don't
a
know if
word.
Latheratus is like
It's a person
a
or a
being.
demigod or an
Yeah,
evil.
that's right.
The album's called Universal Sadness, dude.
I feel.
I
Sick.
feel that too.
I thought it was called Movements of Silence.
This is Universal Sadness on Spotify.
Oh,
And on Genius.
that makes sense.
Well, yeah, request stuff and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you later.
Bro, that was so metal.